Low Hauxley Nature Reserve, also known as Hauxley Wildlife Discovery Centre, is a beautiful and accessible wildlife haven managed by the Northumberland Wildlife Trust near Amble on the Northumberland coast. Highlights and what to see. Wildlife-rich habitats. The reserve spans about 80 acres of restored wetland, woodland, meadows and coastal fringe, providing homes to over 140 bird species annually, plus butterflies, dragonflies, red squirrels, stoats and otters. Birdwatching, multiple hides, 2 fully accessible, plus several others, overlook lakes, marshes and coastal areas. Expect to see warblers, terns, even roseate tern from nearby Hauxley Island, waders, herons, owls, tree sparrows, and the occasional tawny owl chick birdwatching sites.co.uk. Discovery Centre and Cafe. The eco-friendly Straw Bale Centre offers panoramic views, indoor birdwatching, interactive displays, and a cafe serving locally baked scones, sandwiches, soups, and drinks. Family-friendly trails. A largely paved circular route of approximately 1 kilometre, 2 kilometres return, with accessible hides. Beyond that, rougher paths through woodland extend the walk. Play area and wildlife-themed trail activity booklets make it ideal for kids. Archaeological interest. The site has Bronze Age and Mesolithic archaeological remains, with peat beds, ancient forest remnants and footprints visible along the coast. Why visit? Low Hauxley strikes a lovely balance between accessible, beginner-friendly nature experiences and rich biodiversity. With eco-conscious infrastructure, excellent wildlife watching opportunities, and family-friendly trails and facilities, including archaeology along the coast, it offers something for everyone.